Hello, I'm Adam. I'm an electrical technician here at Excel. And today we're going to be going over how to do a startup on one of our pump stations. The first thing we need to do is to make sure that our pumps and control panel is installed and wired properly. We need to have incoming power to our station, and the level controls need to be installed and wired properly as well. There needs to be water in the station to do the test, and at that point we gather the basic station information, and that includes the basin size, the pump make, the pump model, the voltage, the phase, the full load amps, and the horsepower. We do a double check for proper installation and wiring, and we begin our startup. We start by checking the resistance in each pump. That is measured in ohms, and it is taken at the pump control. For a three-phase, the pump needs to be rotating in a clockwise direction. And for a single phase, we need to check the start and run capacitors visually to make sure they are in good order. We then do a check for amps and voltage on each pump while they're running. And at this point, we move on to the operational check. And that's done by checking that the pumps are free from vibration or undue noise, that the station piping and the pipe assemblies are secure and leak-free. Each pump is seated on the base fitting with no leakage. The discharge valves are marked and in the open position. The level controls are operating freely, and we check that the pump is fully submerged during operation. Our pump performance check is done next, and that's done by doing a pump down on each pump by measuring the water level and running the pump for a set time and measuring again to calculate the discharge rate. The discharge pressure is measured in PSI at the bypass connection. And now any comments or corrective actions are noted at this time. We take photos of each component of the station and the entire station itself, and then the startup report is sent to the engineers and the contractors. We hope that this gives you a peace of mind that your pump station has been tested and checked thoroughly to operate at peak performance. Thank you.